Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I will show you how you can enable the YouTube picture-in-picture mode on your iPhone. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to enable the YouTube picture-in-picture mode on your iPhone. So basically, let's say you want to view any type of video in the picture-in-picture mode on your iPhone. Currently, if I go ahead and let's say I open the YouTube app, and if I open YouTube and then I open any video over here, let's say for example, and let's say I want to also play this in the picture-in-picture mode, but then if I close this, you can see the video and the YouTube app itself is going to be closed. So in order to enable YouTube PIP, you have to make sure to follow all my instructions very carefully and correctly. The very first thing you want to do is I will simply close the YouTube app from the background as well, and under the description of this video, right under this video, I have left a certain link. What you have to do is simply tap on that link. So make sure to view the description box right under this video. After you tap on the link, you'll be taken to your browser in Safari or any of the default browser which you have set, and you'll see this kind of interface. In my case, I have already pasted the link, and right over here what you have to do is tap on this button which says get shortcut right under the YouTube PIP button. So tap on get shortcut and it will open the shortcuts menu on your iPhone, and all you have to do on this page is simply confirm it by tapping on the add shortcut button which you see. As you tap on add shortcut, you can see right on the top left hand side the YouTube PIP shortcut. Now all you have to do is, in order to add one more thing, we're going to simply tap on it, but it will say that an unknown action has occurred because a required app is missing. So we're going to tap on the show button as to see which app is missing, and again over here you can see the required app is missing. So I will tap on view in App Store, and this is the app again which we want to download, which is called Scriptable. So tap on the cloud-like icon in order to go ahead and download this application. So as you can see, the Scriptable app has been downloaded as well. So I'm going to tap on the done button basically. Now we're almost complete. There is still a few more steps you need to follow. I will simply hop out both of the shortcut and Safari, and now I will go ahead and then open the YouTube app, for example. As I open the YouTube app, let's say I want to view any of the videos right over here on the PIP mode. All I will have to do is right over here you have to locate the option called share. So go ahead and tap on the share button, which is the arrow icon, and at the bottom of the screen you'll see a bunch of social medias, but then we want to scroll all the way to the right hand side and you'll find these three horizontal dots which says more. So all you have to do is tap on this three dot icon. As you tap on the three dot icon over here, again we want to scroll down and find the option called YouTube PIP. So if you followed all of my instructions correctly, you'll be able to find this YouTube PIP option, or else you won't be able to. If you think you made a mistake, go ahead and watch the video from the very beginning again. Once done, I'm going to simply tap on the YouTube PIP option right over here, and at the top you can see it will ask me for a confirmation. You can simply tap on any of those blue buttons such as to allow once or to always allow it. So go ahead and tap on the always allow button right over here, and whichever video you click on the share button, that video will be loaded on the PIP mode, as you can see right over here. Now I could basically go ahead and run any of the apps in the background such as my App Store. If I want to drag this video, let's say for example, what I will do is simply tap on it, and then I will tap on the share button again next to any of the video which you want to view in the PIP mode. So tap on share, and again on the right hand side scroll all the way and then tap on the more button. Over here you want to go ahead and tap on YouTube PIP. As soon as you do that, that video will be loaded in the PIP mode. Now you can also go ahead and pinch in, pinch out, zoom in and zoom out, and drag it to any part of the screen which you want. In the background you could basically go ahead and open any of the apps which you wish. And this is how you can enable the YouTube PIP mode on iPhone really easily, without any subscription, without YouTube Premium or so on. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.